It is official. We're about to court. Peter Obi has filed a petition to the Supreme Court. What did we today's date? Today's date at 20th. Yesterday was 19th. He filed the petition yesterday. The judgment was given on the 6th. The Constitution of Nigeria gives Peter Obi an article 14 days or 21 days to be able to file a petition. 14 days from on the 6th is on the 20th. They filed it on the 19th. So no story of say they filed are late. Now we will start the cases again. Peter Obi say no agree with the judgment of the tribunal. So he has filed 51 cases. 51. Now he filed now to challenge the judgment of the tribunal and also challenge the election of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That's the only Labour Party, you know, PDP fight their own for corner. Let me read you the news. The presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Mr. Peter Obi, has filed 51 grounds of appeal before the Supreme Court, seeking the nullification of judgment of the Presidential Election Petition Court and the election of President Bola Tinubu. In his notice of appeal, Obi said the Presidential Election Petitions Court erred in law and thereby reached a wrong conclusion when it dismissed the petition he lodged to challenge the outcome of the presidential election. He maintained that the 5-member panel of the tribunal, led by Justice Haruna Samami, carried out a miscarriage of justice against him when it held that it did not specify polling units where irregularities occurred during the election. He further faulted the PEPC for dismissing his case on the premise that it did not specify the figures of votes or scores that were allegedly suppressed or inflated in favor of President Tinubu and the ruling All Progressive Congress, APC. Obi also accused the panel of erring in law when it relied on paragraph 4, subsection 1D and subsection 2 and paragraph 54 of the first schedule of the Electoral Act 2022 to strike out paragraph of his petition. While accusing the lower court of breaching his rights to fair hearing, Obi insisted that evidence of his witnesses were wrongly dismissed as incompetent. He told the Apex Court that the panel unjustly dismissed his allegation that the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, uploaded 18,088 blood results on its IREF portal. He further alleged that the tribunal ignored his allegation that certified true copies of documents that INEC issued to his legal team comprised of 8,123 blood results that contained blank A4 papers, pictures, and images of unknown persons purporting same to be the CTC or polling units result of the presidential election. We dey sincere with ourselves. After we fight this Mohbad case, the next person we will fight, it be like saying our government because they give us depression. Nigeria government dey confuse my head. We go need therapy. How can you tell me they do election? INEC say Tinubu win. Peter Obi say I no agree. He go court. The court told INEC say the certified true copy of his own. I know to be certified true copy. That paper where they sign for your polling unit, that when they count vote finish, they call right time. That paper where they sign, the court say give it to these people. Let them go and study it, so that they can agree. They can find out how you arrived at your number where you get. INEC first delay before they bring out CTC copies. Finally, when they bring out CTC copies, Obi is telling you that 8,123 pages were blood. That means it's not clear. Some of them are blank paper, blank. Now they give Labour Party as CTC copies. Some of them are people picture days and now they count in a result. And the court is upholding that kind of madness. How? We gonna need therapy. Now they confuse us. How did the court arrive at the decision that pictures were worthy to be counted as results? How? May we get sincere. Forget we dey supposed to be realistic. Obi said Shettima had double nominations. As at when he agreed to be the vice president of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he was still holding the position to run for senator in Borno State. The court said it was not his intention. Hello? If person, keep person. Whether the intention or not, you have killed somebody. The best the court can do for you is to give you a lighter sentence and call it manslaughter. How do you dismiss it and say no be intention? How? Whether it's your intention or not, you have committed something that is wrong. Court dismiss, so they dismiss everything. All the petition, everybody fight. So all the old lawyers, Labour Party lawyer, no guesses. PDP lawyer, no guesses. Okay, all the old petition, when they find all of them miss. All. Or that they perform miracle for this country. Anyway, buy mineral and buy popcorn, we're back. The case has started again. When they will start judgment, I will be here to tell you. When they will start going to court, I will also be here to tell you. Let's see how it goes.